have not vlogged in a while, so I was like, let me get a vlog up. Look guys, I weaved my own hair again. So I'm getting ready to go to Home Goods. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta just run some errands. I know, and I hate doing errands on a Saturday. I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but I am not into doing that because I just hate when like stores are super crowded, but I gotta do this today. So I'm gonna go get, well, I have to go to Home Goods and look for this nightstand for my aunt to see if they have it in my area. And then I have to go to the bank for my mom. I just have a lot of random stuff to do. And I signed another brand to Chennel House Media. So I have to do some prop shopping for them. I just like to have props for when I have to post content for them. I'll explain later. But yeah, so I have a few reels to film today. I have a bunch of content to produce for the spa that I represent. So yeah, you guys, it's a lot. It's a lot going on. I have so much to fill you in on. But I just wanted to say hi before I head out into the world. You guys hear like voices in the background, I'm on Bible study right now on Zoom on my phone, but it's like, it's on my car right now. So everybody's like praying right now, but I have to go do these errands. So I'll just listen to Bible study as I'm like driving around and doing what I need to do. It's 2 hours, so it should be fun. Okay guys, so I am on my way to berryblondespa, about to go get the sauna Cocoon, and I'm supposed to be getting fat freezing, but I'm really late, so I don't know if that's actually happening. But if it does, I will let you guys know. It will be my 4th treatment. Yeah, I'm about to go into the tunnel, so I'm actually gonna put this camera down because I don't want to be driving and holding a camera. And yeah, this weather is trash today. The traffic was insane. I left my house at a decent hour for me to get to New York on time, and I still did not get here on time today. Oh, it sucks. And I broke my nail, so that's even more worse. It hurts. I think I don't know. It's really sore. So yeah, that's been my my morning. But yeah, so I will see you guys at the spa as usual, and we'll keep you posted. I'm kind of excited about the sauna just because like I've never done it. I've seen it done, but I haven't done it personally, and so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I'm getting the Detox Slim sauna today. You put on like these disposable underwear, and this is the Detox Slim Cocoon. So we're gonna do this, and it detoxifies the body. It's awesome. So I'm in here waiting so I can get inside here. This should be really interesting. Can I do this? But I feel good. Okay. All right guys, so I'm all done. It was definitely interesting. I'm still kind of sweaty. I'm glad I didn't wear makeup because I would have sweat my makeup off. But my skin's supposed to feel like butter when like later. And they said don't take a shower for at least 7 hours. So we will see. So I went to berryblondespa originally to get fat freezing and to do this sauna Cocoon, but I ended up just doing the sauna Cocoon because I missed my fat freezing appointment. Like traffic to the city that day was like insane. I don't know if it was because of weather or what, and I left like on time, so I don't know, it was just crazy. But I always try and give myself like an hour window with New York because you just never know when it comes to like getting in and out of the city. Usually it's a smooth ride, but every now and then I run into some issues, and that day I did. So I ended up doing the sauna Cocoon, which left my skin feeling amazing. Okay, like the next few days I have had the softest skin from it, but that's not all it does. It is a detoxing like sauna cocoon, so it does like detoxify the body, smooths the skin, like the whole nine. They put the shea butter all over my body, like exfoliated my body with shea butter, and then I got in it for 20 minutes, and when I got out, the sweat was pouring off my body like insane. I feel so much better. Like I feel lighter. I don't know how to explain it. Like you just feel better after you do it. You just have to drink a ton of water because you're losing so much from sweating so much. So you just have to, like, you know, put the water back into your body and hydrate again. So that's the only thing. But I drink a ton of water, as you guys can see, in general, so that was easy for me. I just came home and just like devoured as much water as I could. But I did really like doing that. It would have been dope though to do it like after I did fat freezing, but I wasn't able to do that. But I'm going to take you guys on my next fat freezing appointment. I just have not had a chance to get a vlog up. I'm so sorry. I'm actually back in New York City. Oh, I gotta put this down here because there's a cop right there. I'm about to go get my fat freezing done that I did not get done my last visit because I was late. So we're gonna do that now. Yeah. But I can't hold the camera up because there's a cop right there. So I'm gonna put the camera down. So when I get inside, I will video it for you guys. So this time around, we used 4 applicators. We did the top and lower abdomen. If you guys want to see more, just go to my previous vlog and I go into detail about the fat freezing. Y'all, when I say it has been an ordeal trying to get out of this city because it's St. Patrick's Day, which I didn't even think about, and everything is blocked off in New York City. Like everything. Like I'm so irritated because I just feel like I have literally been just going in circles for the last hour trying to get out of here, and this literal exact same situation happened trying to get to the spa. I was an hour late and I'm just super annoyed. They were able to get me in, but
go past these lights, then turn right onto West 30th Street.
I just want to go home. I just want to get out of New York City. Like, this is insane. Every street that I needed to turn down was just blocked off. Every single street. So it's going to take me 2 hours to get home now, when normally it's like an hour and 20, an hour and 30 minutes, but this says 5:02. I left the spa at 2:22. It never takes this long to get home. I'm still not out of the city. It's 3:16. So for almost an hour, I have been driving around trying to get out of the city. Like that's usually tops takes me 15 minutes to get out of the city on a normal day, on a non-traffic day. So irritated right now, but we're heading to the tunnel now, so hopefully we're good to go. Really, sir? Really? My goodness. This is where I'm trying to go. See? Right there. Lincoln Tunnel. Let's get out of here. Let's do this. Yes.
At the lights, turn left onto Dyer Avenue.
Do y'all remember this song? Okay, don't mind how dirty my screen is. I gotta clean it, but this song was a bop in the 90s. What's up, guys? So actually, you know what, I don't want to use these glasses. I want to wear my pink ones. Hold on. It's a little dark in here. Hold on. Okay, I should have turned this light on. There we go. We're gonna wear these today because these go more with my outfit. Ooh. So okay, I gotta remember that I dropped my glasses down there because, are these clean? Oh no, they need to be cleaned first. I cannot win. Going to Trader Joe's. I want to pick up a birthday gift for my aunt from Hobby Lobby, and then Trader Joe's to get flowers for her and my mom. And then what else are we doing? It's her birthday, so we're just gonna celebrate my aunt's birthday. So I want to go run and get this stuff. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is go to the car wash. My car is filthy. I wanted to do like the full detail situation, but not today. I don't have time to sit and wait for them to like fully vacuum and clean it out, but I'll probably do that next week. But I just gotta get the outside clean. My car just gets dirty so easily, so that's what we're gonna go do. I'm gonna do that first, then go to Hobby Lobby, then go to Trader Joe's. I'm thinking maybe Trader Joe's and then go to the Hobby Lobby by Trader Joe's, because if I go to the Hobby Lobby by my house, it kind of takes me out of the way, and the car wash is on the way to Trader Joe's. I don't know, do you guys go through this where you can't figure out which way to go places? Yeah, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the car wash first, then head to Trader Joe's, then head to Hobby Lobby, and then head to see my aunt. My baby desperately needs a clean. Look at that, y'all. Here at the car wash. They are about to go in there. We going in.